I'm learning Python, then to real learn and have knowledge, I like to create real things and use knowledge to make things happen. I had plans to work with Bitcoin, entrepreneurship, create, build softwares. Then I already had this plan to create my own wallet, my own company. Then I started now to create my own wallet with Python. I stayed the entire morning and the evening building this wallet, this Bitcoin wallet with Python. I use the Python to integrate the Python with the Bitcoin core, the node, and I created a virtual, no, not a virtual, but my own Bitcoin environment to me create any Bitcoins that I want and send to anyone, create my own addresses. I created it with the help with ChatGPT. ChatGPT helped me to create it. Now I'm seeing how I can create a real Bitcoin wallet with very utilities. Then I already created a wallet, but this wallet don't work with real Bitcoin. It only works with it creates fake Bitcoin mining how many blocks I want to create more Bitcoins, and I can do everything I want. I created this fake Bitcoin environment to me see how Bitcoin works, how I can make it. Now I'm integrating it with React using the Node.js Flask to make the front-end and the backend. I use the very libraries to make this code. I have a lot of libraries that I don't remember, but I started using one library that don't work, and I sent it to ChatGPT the problems many times, but in the final it worked. It worked. I used I think 5 libraries to make this code, and I don't understand the code. I don't understood the code at all, but because I have many libraries that I don't understand, but I can understand generally the code and what I'm doing. ChatGPT helps so much. I think that now ChatGPT is more a tool that you use like the calculator is. You can use the calculators to calculate things better. You can use ChatGPT to help you make things better. Without calculators, we can't do such things like ChatGPT. Without ChatGPT, we can't do such things. ChatGPT is a tool that now you need to use to make you more productive and make things faster. You need to use the ChatGPT. Now I'm becoming a user of the ChatGPT. People in the past used the calculators, papers, rocks to count, to calculate, and people became users of calculators, of softwares, of tools, spheres, words, without swords. You can't fight like with a sword. It's like ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT. I'm a user. I'm a ChatGPT user. Without ChatGPT, I can't do what I do with it. I'm becoming a user. I need to use it better, become the best user, because to fight with monsters you need to become a monster. People will use ChatGPT, will be so good at me that I can't work without it, because it's the AI now. You need to use it, you need to understand and work with it. The plan is to finish today the prototype, how my own wallet in my own environment with the front end and the back end with Flask and the React. It was so difficult to make it. I spent hours and hours sending the problem to ChatGPT to send and after do what it said and do it again and again and again. But finally I could make the software functional to test it in an environment, in a safe environment, to in the future make it the real wallet, a real wallet. I already learned JavaScript, CSS and HTML, but React is different, is more difficult as JavaScript. Then I have knowledge of JavaScript, but I needed to learn the React now and understand the React, the Flask, the libraries, the Python libraries, the Python better, to make it better, to read the code, see what's wrong, make better requests for ChatGPT, make the code faster, make the process more efficient. The goal is to start with an MVP, a minimal viable product, to test if the wallet is good, and after scaling to a big wallet. I don't have any structured plan, I only started it, but this is what I have been doing today, what I'm planning to do. I don't have plans to put my entire effort doing it. It's more a side project, like 1 hour a day, maybe 2, I don't know, but this is a project that I have been working today and I started today also. I will build a wallet, we'll finish this safe environment, safe wallet to me test, and after grow to a real wallet. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.